Hi! In front of me is Motorola G71 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic screen rotation on this device. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for Auto Rotate icon and tap on it. As you can see, now it's gray. That means that auto rotation is off, but you can always turn it back on by tapping on the same icon. If you want to, you can always go into settings as well, click on display and tap on advanced. Then scroll down and tap on the switcher next to auto rotate screen. If the switcher is gray, that means that auto rotation is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on it one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!